guys, it's Cindy A. Lewis. I finally made it home. Yay! And I came home and I have a delivery. So I thought we would open that as one of my videos this week. And then I want to thank all of you for joining me on my journey across from Colorado here and home and the Dollar Tree stores. I have one more to upload. I haven't done it yet, and I will get that one, and it's from Enid, Oklahoma. So we'll be having that soon. So let's open this package, and guess what it is? It is an Anna Griffin Glaminator. So we're going to be opening that and testing it out to see how it goes. It opens here. And Glaminator. So here are the instructions, the manual and user guide. And it is a foil application, a thermal laminator, and a cold laminator. Does all three things. It's called a Glaminator. Comes with all the instructions, and we're going to test it out. So in this box, we're going to open it. Ooh. And we get foils. Look at these rolls of foil. Get this pink, gold, silver, this kind of copper color, and this pretty green. All right, can't wait to test it. As you take the Glaminator out of the packaging, you can see it's a Xyron brand, and you see the Anna Griffin brand as well. Okay, before we plug it in, we're going to look at this machine setup. So I don't know if you can see, but I'll show you right here. The options are off. Cold laminator, lamination. This is the snowflake, so you can kind of tell. Thermal lamination. This is showing like a heat wave. And then the foil application, which is the one I'm really interested in. So if you look at the top of the machine, you have the off, the thermal, the cold lamination, the thermal lamination, and then the foil is that star right there. Okay, so you can buy your lamination pouches anywhere. These are actually foil carriers. So that's what this is that comes with the machine. Okay, so the main thing that I want to try out on this machine is the foil application, because lamination, that's fine. I know how that works and everything. So the way to use it for the foil application is we need to plug it in and then print our designs. We want a laser printer in black and white. So I did that here. Okay, so I have turned on my Glaminator onto foil and it is warming up. I have cut out my designs that were printed on a laser printer in black. And so that is key for this foil to work. How many of you love Anna Griffin? I just love her. Okay, well anyway, that was a side note. So I pick out my foil and I am going to lay it out. It says to lay it out on a flat surface. So ever faintly, there are some streak lines in this foil. I don't know if you can see it on the camera or not, but that is the way that it goes into your machine. So that's the way you want it to be. So if I want my picture on here, I cut it out. It's recommended that we cut out the foil with a craft knife. Scissors may wrinkle the foil, so we can definitely do that. Okay, so basically I'm just going to cut a piece like this with my craft knife. Cuts really easily. And I'm going to set that aside. And then it says you prepare your carrier. So I'm going to take my carrier. This is my carrier that came with the machine. And I am going to lay down my pumpkin into the carrier. And I'm going to lay my foil on top of my pumpkin. And it still has this tape on here, which I should have probably cut off. But I'm just going to lay it on here like this. Okay. All right. So once the laminator's heated, the green light will come on with the little check mark. If you could see that a while ago, I'll just turn this camera up a little bit. You can see the green light is on. And then you feed this through this front space here. and it should just pull your image through. And it does go a little slow, so we'll see how it comes out. Okay, so the big reveal, here we go, is we open up our sheet here when it's cool to the touch, our protective sheet, and now here is our pumpkin. Let's see how it looks. And I have not done this before. That is pretty awesome. That is very awesome. So I want to do a couple more just to show you how they turn out. Okay, here we go. Here's the heart. I chose the pink. And there is that pink heart. Isn't that neat? Okay, one more. Okay, here is the last one we're gonna do, checking out the Glaminator from Anna Griffin and Zyron. I'm really excited about it. I can see all kinds of fun crafts with it. And this is just a new way to add a little a little pizzazz to your crafting. So here we are, and I'm gonna take off the foil from my Happy Fall, and you can see that the foil adhered to the letters really nicely. You do have to have a laser printer. I'm just going to show you these ones that I did earlier and the heart. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed looking at the Glaminator with me. Thanks for watching. Comment, share, and subscribe. And until next time, love you all. Bye-bye.